What is that? Gold Star Distribution advises that the affected product should not be returned to the company. Instead, consumers and retailers must destroy the product and provide a receipt of destruction to Gold Star to qualify for a refund. According to the company's announcement, persons handling or consuming the products could become seriously ill. The FDA found evidence of rodent feces, bird droppings, and other forms of contamination. They underlined that in bold letters like that. Like whoever underlined that, it made it seem like it was supposed to make it sound better. The FDA knew. The other people that were checking for the safeties knew. The people who were working there knew. The only people that didn't know was the people you were feeding the actual feces to.